In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a complete draft video with Microsoft 365 Copilot and fine-tune it in Clipchamp. We'll start right in the general Copilot experience using a method that creates a full draft for you, script, voiceover, and stock footage, so you can move from idea to a watchable video in minutes. First, open your web browser, Edge, Chrome, or Safari all work, and head to the Microsoft 365 Create Hub. This is where Copilot brings together creative tools, and it's the fastest way to kick off an AI-assisted video. Once you're in the Create Hub, look for the option labeled Create a Video and select it. This opens a simple workspace designed for prompts. Think of the description box as your creative brief to Copilot. The more specific you are, the better the first draft will be. Describe your topic and clearly define your audience, whether that's new customers, internal teammates, or students. Clarify your purpose, like educating, persuading, or announcing something, and call out the tone you want, such as friendly, professional, or playful. If you know the style, like fast-paced with upbeat visuals or calm and informative, say that too. These details guide the script, voice, and footage choices Copilot makes for you. If you already have a PowerPoint deck that captures your message or structure, you can add it here as well. Copilot can base the video's content and script on your slides, which is a great way to keep terminology, key points, and branding consistent across formats without rewriting everything. When your prompt looks solid, submit it by selecting the arrow icon. Copilot will process your request, and in about 30 seconds to a minute, you'll see a complete draft come together. You'll get a generated script, an AI voiceover aligned to your tone, and stock footage or imagery that matches your description. Preview the video in line to get a quick sense of pacing, clarity, and overall vibe. If the core direction lands but you want more control, choose Open with Clipchamp. This launches the full editing environment where you can refine just the parts you need, tweak the script for precision, swap visuals for stronger shots, adjust timing between scenes, or pick a different voice to better match your brand. Clipchamp gives you the flexibility to tighten transitions, adjust background audio levels, and ensure the visual sequence supports your message. When you're happy with the adjustments, you've turned a fast Copilot draft into a polished piece, with the script, narration, and visuals all working together exactly as you intended.